Hello guys, good morning po sa ating lahat. So may napanood akong isang video. Yung tao na yun sa video, kasi Japanese siya, ang pangarap daw niya maging isang aso. Ha? Kung ikaw, gusto mo bang maging aso? Kakain ka ng pagkain ng aso, tapos matutulog ka sa tulugan ng aso, at yung mga activities ng aso ay ginagawa mo, kakain ka ng dog food, ganun. So tignan nyo itong video guys na idudugtong ko dito para makita nyo kung ano yung information about kay Toko ba yung pangalan niya. Wait lang, sige, watch nyo lang.
A Japanese man, nicknamed Toko Dogman, has spent over $15,000 on a collie costume in a bid to appear as an animal. He has stated that his lifelong dream of becoming a dog has now been fulfilled. Toko has his own YouTube channel, where he uses to update his followers about the process of turning into a pooch. He has over 22 videos of him acting like a dog, rolling on the floor, eating from a bowl, going for a walk, etc. His channel holds more than 10K subscribers, and his most popular video has garnered over 2.4 million views. Predictably, Toko has received backlash for his efforts to look like a dog since his videos went viral on social media, with many telling him he should seek therapy and others referring to it as a fetish. Responding to the comments, Toko has said that it's not a fetish. "I'm just sad that people can think that. I love animals and enjoy play acting like a collie. This is my hobby, so I will carry on. It makes me happy and other people happy."
So, ayan na nga guys, anong masasabi nyo sa naging desisyon ni Toko na maging aso siya? Kasi hindi lang siya as in na nag-behave lang, na nag-act lang na maging aso eh. Nagpa-opera, nagpa-plastic surgery, ganun. Sa mga ibang part, yung uso niya pinahaba niya, tapos may pinaiba siya sa skull niya, ganyan. Tapos di ko lang alam dun sa may paa niya. So, hindi natin siya masisisi kung anong gusto niya, kasi nga lahat naman ng tao may karapatang gawin yung gusto mo, di ba? Siguro para sa akin, mas okay na sana yung magpalit ng gender, na kunwari babae ka, maging gusto mo maging lalaki, o lalaki ka gusto mo maging babae. Siguro mas katanggap-tanggap pa yun, para sa akin lang, opinion ko lang, kaysa yung tao ka na magiging hayop, magiging animals. Pero sabihin nyo sa comment section kung anong gusto nyo. Maging tao ba? Ay, maging tao. Gusto nyo bang maging hayop? Or ano bang sasabi nyo sa, anong masasabi nyo sa naging desisyon ni Toko sa buhay niya? Kasi lifetime na yan, hindi na natin yan maibabalik kahit anong gusto niyang gawin. Ayan, so thank you for watching guys, and ayan, mag-leave lang kayo ng comment, and please share this video para at least makita din ng ibang tao na may ganito palang tao na gustong maging hayop. Literal na hayop, ano. Yan. So, thank you for watching, everyone. Bye-bye.